Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday of the month. In fact, it's the first Sunday of the new year, so it's time for the monthly draw. I'm going to go upstairs, press the buttons on the computer, let it do its thing, and we'll see if I can pick a winner. As you can see, the winner is Steve Perry. So Steve, all you've got to do is send me an email. That's me email address up there, and I'll get your prize posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another draw next month. All you have to do to enter the draw is obviously watch this video, which is what you're doing now. Subscribe to my channel, share the video, and in the comments box you've got to put a comment, and the comment must be wrote like this: 2024 giveaway 1. Simple as that. 2024 giveaway 1. My computer will pick up on that phrase out of all your replies, and it'll pick a winner again. I'm going to show the prizes a little bit later on. In fact, I'm going to show the prizes now because I've got nothing else to do and nothing else to say. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I wish you all a really happy, prosperous, and above all else, healthy 2024. There's a set of inside calipers here. These look a little bit rusty and scabby, but they're all made by Starrett. They're really nice calipers. A little bit of fine wet and dry, and they'll clean up nicely. And once you've spent a bit of time massaging them back to life and cleaning them up, they'll last you for the rest of your life. Really nice set of calipers. Then we've got the new type Doubleboost twisted engineering mug, done by my friend and channel sponsor Rob at Extreme Plasma. A set of clear and twist drills. I found another supplier of these. I do not get these gifts and I've got to buy them, but they are good value for money twist drills. Then we've got another pen from Robert Extreme. He sent us some of these to be given away as well. In fact, I use one of these all the time. It's a little deburring tool for deburring the ends of tubes or square parts or anything you want really for taking edges off. A really handy bit of kit.